Hello, good afternoon. I'm teacher Jaime, and today I would like to continue talking about demonstrative pronouns. But for this opportunity, I'm going to talk about only this and that. They are singular. And we are going to use these when we are talking about objects that are close by. So in this case, we have to use everything in singular. This is singular, is also singular, and this article a is also singular. And as you can see right here, all of these nouns are in singular. So this is a man, or this is a bike. So we have the example right here. This guy is showing the other guy, but this one right here is close to him or close by. It is why he is using this is a man. For the next one, we are going to use that plus is. So you can say that's a tree. And we are going to use it for objects farther away. So we have something like this.